Quotex trading psychology, the key to mastering the market. Trading on Quotex isn't just about strategies, indicators, or market trends. It's a psychological game, a battle between patience and impulse, confidence and doubt. The most successful traders don't just master the charts, they master themselves. Imagine this. You see a perfect setup. The trend aligns, the signals confirm, and you're ready to place the trade. But then hesitation creeps in. What if the market reverses? What if I lose? You wait, second guessing yourself, and then, just as you decide to enter, the opportunity vanishes. The market moves exactly as you predicted, but without you. Frustration sets in. You promise yourself you won't hesitate next time, but when the moment comes again, fear grips you once more. This is where trading psychology makes all the difference. The ability to stay calm under pressure, to follow your plan without being swayed by emotions, is what separates winners from those who constantly chase their losses. Discipline is your greatest asset, and emotions are your greatest enemy. Think about the times you've won a trade, the rush of excitement, the surge of confidence. It's exhilarating. But if you're not careful, it turns into overconfidence. You start overtrading, taking unnecessary risks, believing the market owes you more. And then reality strikes. A series of losses hit you hard. Panic sets in. Desperation leads to revenge trading, trying to recover losses quickly, only to dig a deeper hole. To succeed in Quotex trading, you must train your mind like an athlete trains their body. Patience, discipline, and emotional control are non-negotiable. Set realistic goals, stick to a well-tested strategy, and never let emotions dictate your trades. Accept losses as part of the game, because even the best traders lose. The difference? They don't let losses define them. So the next time you trade, ask yourself, am I making this decision based on logic, or am I being driven by fear and greed? Master your psychology, and you'll master the market.